Parliament as a mere talk shop. Our condolences to the bereaved families. But this is not one of the matters that we should just talk about and allow it to die. 6 young citizens losing their lives because they're looking for a job. It's very important. Some are still in the hospital, and Parliament must inquire into this. The minister must brief us. So, Mr. Speaker, it's very, very critical.
So, Minority Leader,
yes,
I recall that after the statement, Speaker gave some consequential directives to a committee responsible for defense and interior. And that is one tool that Parliament can use to inquire into matters of this nature.
Mr. Speaker, I was right here. Respectfully, yes. I agree with you.
Yes.
That is so. But, Mr. Speaker, I am talking about ministerial action.
Yeah, but you said Parliament must inquire.
Yes, I'm saying that.
After the directives has been given to the
Mr.
defense
Speaker,
and interior?
For want of a better word, sometimes we all make mistakes in language use. I would therefore yield to that. What I meant to say was that with Parliament giving that mandate to inquire, it is equally important for ministerial action to be taken for briefing. In any event, that ministerial action will perhaps serve as the primary data, the primary source of information to aid Parliament. So that is the reinforcement I wanted to seek, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the other thing of concern for us as minority is this issue of bail conditions. Mr. Speaker, we know that
bail condition at where?
Mr. Speaker, lately a lot of our compatriots, Mr. Speaker, they are being prosecuted, they go to court, they walk in themselves, they are issued with criminal summons, they go themselves, and when they go, very onerous bail conditions are imposed on them. Mr. Speaker, we are not in any way bringing this matter up to attempt interfering in judicial processes. No. We are raising it as a matter of national concern. The impression we give. And I would want to make a call on the leader of the House